Hello everybody and welcome to this video. Thank you for joining me today. This is a little project I have to share with you today. It's this lovely little box, really simple to make, and this one is Orchid Oasis and Tahitian Tide are the colours, and then you've got a little sentiment that says a warm welcome, or warm hello I should rather say, and then the ribbon here is Tahitian Tide, and it's just a lovely little rectangular box, and this measures 5 inches by 2 inches by 2 inches tall, so not bad size at all. You fit a lot of lovely little treats into there. So let me show you how I made it. This time we're going to be using a different colourway. We're going to start off, our base is going to be Starry Sky, and this piece measures 9 inches by 6 inches, and we're going to score at 2 inches on all sides. 2 inches, twist, 2 inches, twist, and 2 inches. So I have a piece that looks like that. Set that aside. Our top is going to be Sweet Sorbet, and this measures 7 1/16 by 4 1/16, and we're going to score at 1 inch on all sides. But don't worry, all the measurements etc. will be on the blog post on my website, and you can find the link to that in the description box below. So last time at 1 inch, and that's all of our scoring done and dusted. So let's set the scoreboard aside, and now we're just going to fold on all of our score lines very quickly, and get those all folded. And the same for our base. The bone folder, as I said, ad infinitum, is an invaluable tool, really helps. Okay, so now it's everything in the horizontal position like this. We're going to cut up the score line here to the first score line. So you're going to release this little tab, and then you are going to cut from this little tab just at a slight angle, mitre cut it as I call it, just cut off very tiny slither at an angle, just like that. You can see how much there we've cut, not much, but it just gives a slight angle cut, as you can see here, and this will just help your box come together. So now we're going to do that for all 4 on this side. So again, up the score line to the score line, and then we're going to cut that little angle. We're going to do the same on the other side, and we're going to do exactly the same for the lid, and I'll be back. Okay, so we can see here with our lid we've done that. We've done the same to our base here as well. We're going to work on our lid next, and we're going to put down our designer series paper, and this is the family stack, and this is the Starry Sky. So we're going to put this in the center here. So I'm going to get some glue. Just going to put this down. Lovely. And I love this little heart pattern. It really, I prefer it to these, whatever you call the dashes on the other side. I just love these hearts. You can see it's the first pattern that's going to get used up in all the colours I have. I just think they're just so pretty. And then we're just putting them on, so it'll be on the lid and then on the sides as well. And this is the colour of the base, so I just sort of took my cue from that. It's not a big project, so I didn't want to have too many different colours and make it look like a dog's dinner. And then the last one here. This is the same pattern as I said I used before, because I just love it. Okay, so now we're going to be ready to assemble our box. So we're going to put some glue on these 4 flaps here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then you're just going to fold the flap in until it meets the side wall, and keeping everything straight and squared off. Just going to pinch. I'm going to tuck that flap in until it meets the side wall, and you're just going to pinch, keeping everything squared. Let's do these other 2. I love these. When these in colours came in, I was so pleased. I absolutely love bright and bold colours, so these suit me fine. So that's our lid. Bring in our base, knocking stuff over. And we're going to do the same. We've just put glue on these 4 tabs. And then just going to bring up the walls in the same way as before. Just like that. Okay. And there you can see it's not a bad sized box at all. And then you're just going to put your lid on over the top. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? I love it. So, this last time we used, what do you call this, Tahitian tied ribbon. Now I brought the Sweet Sorbet ribbon, it's a different colour with my mind to the actual cardstock. It's one of those weird things because of the metallic. So then I also brought up some Orchid Oasis colour. And I think I'm going to use Orchid Oasis. So we're just going to wrap this around the box. I'm sorry about that. I have the window open because it's so warm. Lincolnshire is an RAF county, so you will have the red arrows, military aircraft, etc. flying overhead now and again. Can't help it. Okay, so there we have our bow. And we're going to do a little bit of stamping. And the stamps that we're going to be using is this one called Circle Sayings. And we're going to be using this one that says Warm Hello. And we need a scrap piece of basic white that I don't have. Let me look through my scrap pile that I have here. Find a piece of basic white. Oh, here's a piece. Okay. And we're just going to stamp in Sweet Sorbet ink somewhere around here. Will do perfectly fine. I smudge that. Rushing, that's always when you smudge something. Yep, that's fine. Okay. So now we're just going to cut this out using our trimmer. So let's just cut so we can get a straight line. And then let's see. think that will do perfectly fine. Maybe just a titch off the edge like that. That will be fine. Okay, so get rid of all these scraps, bits and bobs, and then I have some here, either Awkward Oasis, either Starry Sky, or I think I only use Starry Sky, just bring some more of that colour in. So let's get some glue on the back here. And then we're just going to put it down, just like that. And just cut it out with our scissors, like that. And then on the back we want a couple of dimensionals. And then on the front here I'm going to use some of our in colour pearls. Sorry for all the noise. As I said, I do have the window open because it's so warm, so I do apologise. And then take off the backings. Pop that there. Clear the decks. And there you have our two cards, our two boxes rather. Tell me which one you like best, Sweet Sorbet and Starry Sky, Tahitian Tide and Awkward Oasis. I hope you enjoyed the project. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. And please don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want any more information about the project, measurements, supply list, etc., it's all on the blog post on my website, and the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.